Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in Sarasota, Florida. I'm Lyle and this is my very brief Friday podcast today. I've had the same question asked to me a bunch of times through the comments on some of the other videos I've made regarding people who are out shopping for new C5, C6 cars, or at least new to them C5, C6 cars, and they keep asking me the same question. How do I look at a car and know whether it has the F45/F55 adjustable suspension or not? Because they're aware of how expensive it can be to fix that right off the bat. So here, my friends, is how you tell if the car you're looking at has F45 or F55 suspension. Immediately in front of the center console door, you know, the one between the seats, is a small panel like this. You will see the traction control on-off button on that panel. And you will see on some later models of C5, you'll see the little airbag light panel. Beyond that, this is what it looks like. This is if you do not have adjustable suspension. If, however, you do have adjustable suspension, it's going to look just like this. See this toggle switch? It looks like it belongs on somebody's dryer. That little indicator tells you that yes, this car has adjustable suspension. It never moved. It's always in the same location, right in front of the center console door. Both C5 and C6, same location. So now you know when you look at a car, if this panel has that toggle, it has adjustable suspension. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so I can continue bringing you interesting information and quick answers to easy questions as frequently as possible. Have a great weekend.